Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MCOA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. I think this is the 3rd day in a row. So that's where these different colored annotation lines are coming from, that blue and green. And today, just absolutely a crazy day. The price gapped up and ran and then had a pretty big pullback. So as far as, hey Clay, what do you think about the chart? Well, it all depends on perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 7.7 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then yeah, the bulls still have a chance to build a higher base and the overall trend is still up. Again, that may sound crazy because the price did pull back quite a bit. But again, perspective. If you are a day trader, yeah, maybe you didn't like the pullback. But looking at the big picture of things, bulls still have plenty of opportunity. And, that's what I want to try to illustrate here. So first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Yes, these levels that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. But in the spirit of just not having 8 million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, let me get that out of there. Then, I just want to do some house cleaning as you saw. So first level, and really the nice sign is that 0.095 did indeed hold as support. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but if you did, hopefully you remember me talking about that as support. And yeah, after the big pullback here, that's finally where the bulls found some stability and then got a nice bounce from there. So certainly going forward, if the price can stay above 0.095, then that's going to make the overall chart look the healthiest. Now, in the event 0.095 doesn't hold, and I just want to scrunch this up to give a little bit more perspective about what I mean by the overall picture. So obviously the overall picture, this thing used to be down here, and it's still way up here. So even if, the price did bottom out here, that's still well above these other areas of, support. But in the event 0.095 does not hold, the next key level of support at 0.07. So 0.095, 0.07, couple near-term levels of support. Also keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. What about if any sort of bounce happens, so levels of resistance? Just going to focus on one of those right now because in my opinion at least, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. At this point, it is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base. And that area of resistance resides just right up here at 14 cents. You can see on the late day bounce right there, that's just where the profit taker stepped back in. So there's clearly some sellers sitting up right around there. But again, top priority, in my opinion, not breaking levels of resistance. Just go through a healthy consolidation, build a higher base for the overall chart. One of the more common questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.